80 animals.
Camel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. Are you enjoying this class? Great! I'm enjoying it as well. Today, we'll learn about camels. This is a camel. It lives in a desert. Let's begin by learning some words using pictures.
Desert. This is a desert. A desert is a large area of sandy land. There is very little water, very little rain, and very few trees in a desert. Hump. Look at the arrow. It points to the hump of a camel. A camel has a hump or two on its back. Luggage. When you travel, you take a suitcase or bags with you. The suitcase and bags are luggage. In the picture, the man goes on a trip. He has his luggage. The arrow points to his luggage.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Desert. Hump. Luggage.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
What animals live in a desert? I first think of a camel as a desert animal. Look at the picture. The animals are camels. A camel is also known for its hump. Some camels have one hump. Some camels have two humps. People can ride on a camel's back. A camel also carries people's luggage. So people and camels can move across the desert together. People get milk from camels. They also make leather from camels. A camel is a very valuable animal to people in a desert. Where does the camel live? In a desert. On a mountain. Where does the camel have a hump? On its back. On its head. What do people get from camels? luggage. Milk.
How was the lesson? Did you enjoy it? That's nice. This is the end of our class today. Goodbye.